Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to confirm your Pi wallet address. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, head over to your Player App Store, make sure your Pi app is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Pi. From here, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, you want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top left hand corner of the page. From here, all these different tabs will appear, so we need to click onto the mainnet one. And then we're going to come to our balance dashboard. From here, scroll down and you'll see mainnet checklist. Click onto that and then scroll down and it will say here, confirm your Pi wallet. So confirm the ownership of your wallet. Your confirm wallet address not confirmed, so that means we need to confirm it. So go ahead and click on the start button. Then it'll say confirm your Pi wallet. Manually unlock the wallet using a passphrase to demonstrate you can access it. This also confirms that your mainnet balance will transfer to this wallet. So go ahead and put in your 24 passphrase here and then click on confirm your wallet.